Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to configure PPPoE server on Mikrotik router. All the process I show you step by step. First, I log in our Mikrotik router through Winbox. Here, username, admin, and password blank. Step 1. Assign WAN and LAN PPPoE server interface. Ether 1 assign as a ISP, that means one ISP. Ether 2 Ether 2 PPPoE server. Then step 2, assign IP address on WAN and LAN interface. So you can go IP menu, then address. Here IP address that we get from our ISP or IG company. That is my IPS. Then apply, then OK. It's a PPPoE server IP. You can use anyone. I use here 10.10.10.1 and it means 24 block. And assign it Ether 2. Apply. Okay. Then set up DNS and gateway. For that IP, then DNS. Then apply, then OK. Then gateway, that means default route. This gateway address, it provide your ISP. You can get it from your ISP. Then apply, then OK. Step 4, create a PPPoE server profile. For that, you can click PPPoE, then profile, then plus icon. Here profile name. You can use any one profile name. My profile name means 5 MB. That means every user of that profile allocated for 5 MB bandwidth. Before creating a profile, you must create IP pool. A mistake is here. For creating IP pool, you can go IP, then pool. Pool name here. You can choose in of name, I name 5 MB. That means all of the member of this pool get 5 MB bandwidth for there is PC address. My LAN interface, that means 10.10.10.2 10.10.10.254. Okay, apply. Now I create a triple PoE server profile. Then local address, that means our server IP address 10.10.10.1, remote address. Then DNS, first DNS is my local ISP DNS and second is Google DNS. Then apply, then okay. Now create triple PoE user and password. For create triple PoE server profile, you can click secret. Then close icon, then name. I name here test and password test. Service triple PoE profile 5 MB. Now apply. Okay. Then create triple PoE server interface. For create triple PoE server interface, you click triple PoE server, then close icon. Then server name IMB, then interface, the default profile 5 MB. One session per host, that means one user at a time login in one device, that means router or your laptop or PC. It's for business purpose, that means as people can use it in office or home, no need to tick mark here. So I don't tick mark here. So apply, okay. Now create per user queue, that means PC queue. Queue, simple queue. In general, that means 5 MB, and target, that means our IP of this block 10.10.10.0 object 24. Then apply, then okay. Then queue type, per user queue, that means PC queue. For queue type, you can select plus, then PC queue, then 5 MB, 5 MB. Then rate 5 MB. Then source address, that means upload, upload, upload. download PCU destination address. Apply. Okay. We can go advanced. Then limited target queue type. Here we deploy upload. Target download. Here we select download. Apply. Okay. Now configure firewall rules, that means NAT. For clicking NAT, you click IP, then firewall, then select NAT, then plus icon. In General tab, you can select here source address. That means address. Full network here 10.10.10.024. Then action must be read. Then apply. Then okay. Our all operation is completely. Now we test using pin or now we pin to Google. Pin to Google, that means our router is access to the internet. Our PPPoE server access internet. Now I check from my PC. For that, now I check the connection using PP service on my laptop. So that start menu, then setting, then network and internet. In network and internet, choose dial up, then set up new connection. Connect to the internet, then next. Broadband PPPoE, then username test, test, password test, then connect. My laptop is successfully connected using PPPoE connection. Now I check bandwidth internet speed that I mentioned in 5 MB. Yes, 5 MB PCQ is now successfully applied on this user. I can configure on my any Wi-Fi router using this user ID and password. Now I check my PPPoE client got which IP from the server. Now I check which have I got from my PPPoE client from PPPoE server. That is network properties, broadband connection details. This I got from PPPoE server. I check MD from IP from all. Pair of connection is IP. This my PC Ethernet address. I can log in my router, then PPPoE secret. This is can list. Last login, this. Thanks for watching this video. If you think this video helpful, please subscribe my channel.